Let's say I were to stick a camera in your face and ask you to talk about what you do for a living. What kind of thoughts would go through your head? Here are just a few of the responses I received last time I asked this question to a bunch of experienced business owners. God, where's this going to end up? Won't it be really poor quality on that iPhone? Oh, how do I look? I feel sick. Why would anyone want to hear from me? Making video content brings up a raft of challenges that go well beyond deciding which gear you're going to need to buy. And I know because I've been there. As a radio and TV presenter of more than 2 decades, I was amazed by how challenged I felt when it came to speaking on camera about my business. So how must other business owners feel? In my Confidence on Camera workshop, I'll walk you through the simple steps I use, both as a broadcaster and a business owner, to tell your story on camera without looking wooden or unprofessional. We'll show you how to get up and speaking on camera and making sense right away. Give you actionable tips to improve. Speaking to camera and making video content isn't easy, but it is learnable, and I'll be there with you every step of the way.